Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 1. Our today's topic is oral sheet practice. My dear students, today is our lecture number 23 of annual term. Okay, and today there is no SW. So my dear student, let us start. My dear students, our today's topic is oral sheet practice. So question number 1, say in number from 1540 to 1550. Okay, 1990 to 2000. So I read first one 1540, 1540, 1541, 1542, 1543, 1544, 1545, 1546, 1547, 1548, 1549, 1550. I hope you have understood, my dear students. Just like this, you practice the next one. That means 1990 to 2000. Okay. Next, say the spelling 1655, 1040, 1993, 1009. My dear students, we have already learned in our previous classes in write in words class. The name of that class is write in words. So 1655. So 1000 O-N-E 1000 T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D 1000. 600 S-I-X 600 S-U-N-D-R-E-D 100. 55 F-I-F-T-O-I 55 F-I-V-E. I hope you have understood. Just like this, you memorize the next numbers. Okay. Question number 3, which number is smaller, 1669 or 1696? My dear student, at first we notice 1000 place. Here 1000 place are same. Then 100 place 6, they are same. Then tens place, here 6, here 9. So we can say 1669 is smaller than 1696 because tens place digit, that means 6 is less than 9. So 1669 is smaller number between these two number. Again 1500 or 1050. So from this number we can notice first one, here first one. So 1000 place is same. Next 100 place, here 5, here 0. So 0 is smaller than 5. So we can say 1050 is a smaller number than 1500. Okay. Question number 4, add orally. That means we add orally. 10 plus 11 what? 10 plus 11 21. 15 plus 6 it will be 21. 70 plus 5 it will be 75. 63 plus 7 it will be 70. Okay. You may practice this to solve orally. Okay. Subtract orally 13 minus 7 and it will be 6. 29 minus 9 it will be 20. 21 minus 2 it will be 19. 20 minus 10 it will be 10. My dear student, question number 6, 1 less than 3 tens is what? 29. How can? 3 tens means 30 and 1 less, that means the previous number of 30, and it will be 29. Place value of 1 in 613. So 3 is in 1's place and 1 is in 10's place. So here the place value of 1 is 1 tens. Multiply orally. So we multiply this 3 digit orally. Here 11 tens are what? 11 tens are 110 and 12 sevens are what? 12 sevens are 84 and 10 tens are 100. Okay. Divide orally. If I divide 64 by 8, then we get 8. How can? 8 8s are 64. So if we divide 64 by 8, we get 8. If we divide 80 by 8, then we get 10 because we know that 8 tens are 80. Okay. So if we divide 80 by 8, then we get 10. Say the expand form of 1381. So we expand. So 1000 means at first we write 1000 plus. 300, then we write 300 plus, then 80, then plus write 80 and plus 1. So 1000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 1. This is the expand form of 1381. Okay. 11 number, take away 13 from 23. What is the answer? That means if I subtract 13 from 23, then what will be the answer? The answer will be 10. That means if we subtract 13 from 23, we get 10. Question number, how many wheels do two tricycle have? My dear student, one tricycle have how many wheels? One tricycle have 3 wheels, just like rickshaw. Rickshaw has 3 wheels. So one rickshaw has 3 wheels. So two rickshaw has how many wheels? It will be 6 wheels. So rickshaw is a tricycle. For these reasons, I give here example of rickshaw. So how many wheels do two tricycle have? It will be 6. Okay, I hope you have understood. Question number 13. What comes between 340 and 342? The middle number of 340 and 342 is what? It is 341. Okay, question number 14. How many pairs are there in it? That means by 8 we can make how many pairs? By 8 we can make 4 pairs. That means we divide this 8 by 2 and we get 4. So we get 4 and 4 pairs are there in 8. Okay, question number 15. Remy bought 1 dozen oranges. How many oranges did she buy? That means at first we need to know 1 dozen equal to how many things. So we know 1 dozen equal to 12 things. So Remy bought 12 oranges. 16 number, how many wings do 4 birds have? So here 4 birds. A bird have how many wings? A bird have 2 wings. So 4 birds have how many? 4 birds have 8. How many? How can we multiply 2 with 4 and we get the answer? That means 4 2 jar 8. Okay. 17. How many 25 paisa coins make 2 taka? My dear students, 25 paisa. That means we know that 100 paisa make 1 taka and 2 taka means 200 paisa. That means 4 25 paisa make 1 taka. For this reason, to make 2 taka we need 8 25 paisa. I hope you have understood. I repeat, 25 paisa coins make 2 taka. How many 25 paisa make 2 taka? We know that 100 paisa equal to 1 taka. So if we take 425 paisa, then we get 1 taka. Then another way, if we take 420 paisa, then we take 1 taka. 1 taka, 1 taka, 2 taka. And here 4 paisa and 4 paisa are 8 paisa. So 825 paisa need to make 2 taka. Next, how many sides are there in a cone and a cylinder? My dear students, how many sides are there in a cone and a cylinder? Do you notice the cone ice cream? Okay, are there any side in cone ice cream? No. Similarly, cylinder, box have a side. Cylinder that means drum has a side? No. So we can say that they have no side. That means in a cone or a cylinder they have no side. I hope you have understood, my dear student. This is our oral sheet. When your oral exam will be held, then I ask some question. That means at least 3 or 4 questions. So you must memorize this very carefully. Okay, you practice more and more to memorize this. Okay, if you don't memorize this carefully, then you cannot do well in your oral exam. So my dear student, you must memorize this very carefully and regularly. Okay, I hope you have understood. If you have any problem to understand this oral sheet, you make a phone call to me. My phone number is given on the board. So my dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.